Hey everyone, it's Paul Carlson from North Channel 3D. Super excited to take a close look at how some of the best SLA and SLM technologies are brought to life. So it's super excited to hang out with you guys. Come on in and let's check this place out. Another thing that I've been super impressed with just throughout this tour is just learning how intimate the company is with a number of high-value applications for their customers. Hey everyone, let's check out the factory floor. In this facility, there's over 120 industrial SLA systems printing various parts. One of the things that you'll notice is that these machines are running around the clock. SLA was primarily used for prototyping, but seeing how this is a true production tool with not only reliability, but machine-to-machine repeatability from UnionTech is second to none. The UT1 system in itself just seems like something that can save a customer a lot of time. Being able to take and grab multiple files, drop them in, select a printer, and it does everything automatically is amazing. So in this era of AI and utilizing artificial intelligence to make people more productive, I think UT1 falls right in there and can help customers reduce a lot of their labor costs all in the click of a button. The tire molds, I feel like is really changing the way that customers manufacture tires, and it's not just tires. What I love about it is, yeah, it really helps the tire industry because of high precision, anything that needs high precision molds, this product can help with. So whether it's tires, whether it is footwear, whether it is dental, you'll see a lot of customers starting to change the way that they manufacture products, leveraging kind of this technology that was developed for the tire mold industry. A fascinating thing I learned this week was that the story of the Muse 430 Pro actually began more than a decade ago. In 2014, UnionTech entered the metal additive manufacturing market by investing in several DMLS systems. Rather than rushing to build their own machine, they spent years learning the technology firsthand, working alongside customers, developing applications, and understanding what manufacturers truly needed from a production metal additive platform. After years of research, development, and validation, UnionTech introduced its first commercial metal additive manufacturing system in 2023. Since then, more than 200 systems have been deployed throughout Asia, supporting production applications across various industries, including aerospace, automotive, tooling, and industrial manufacturing. Today, that journey has culminated in the Muse 430 Pro's launch in North America. An intelligent bidirectional powder handling system improves recoding efficiency and reduces non-productive time, while integrated safety fit systems, advanced filtration, sealed powder handling, and intelligent process monitoring help create a safer, cleaner, and more reliable production environment. After spending 3 days here at UnionTech, one thing is clear. Not only are they making industrial-grade additive manufacturing systems at a world-class level, but they're also developing long-term technology partnerships, which is what we're looking for to provide our customers. So whether you're looking for industrial-grade SLA systems or metal additive manufacturing machines, visit us at northchannel3d.com and we'll partner you up with UnionTech and get you the right solution. Thanks for coming along.